The High Court will this week resume hearing a petition on the controversial deportation of NASA's self-proclaimed General Miguna Miguna. Tonight, Murimi Mwangi explains key options that remain for Miguna.
You should not blink an eye.
As he slapped Interior Cabinet Secretary Dr. Fred Matiang'i, Inspector General of Police Joseph Boynet, and Immigration Principal Secretary Gordon Kihalangwa with a 200,000 shillings fine each for defying court orders, Justice George Odunga also voiced a frustration.
If they can disobey and disregard the orders of this court with such impunity, I do not see how any of their juniors will execute the warrants against them, or even hold them in custody if arrested by citizens.
But the three may not be out of the hot soup just yet, as the John Haminwa-led team of lawyers dust their notes ahead of the Friday resumption of the legal battle against the double deportation of NASA activist Miguna Miguna by the state. Among key issues expected to emerge on trial are questions on suitability in office for Matiang'i, Boynet and Kihalangwa in relation to their handling of the Miguna case and what Miguna's lawyers term as open disdain to judicial authority in disobedience of court orders culminating in the Thursday fine.
And I want to tell the three lords of impunity, shame on you. We are not going to have a country like a country of monkeys, where the monkey can go in the jungle, eat somebody's banana, and walk without rules.
What surprises me is the fact that an individual can enter the country and refuse to present his documents for identification. When the deputy president travels, when the president travels, they are cleared in the countries where we go. Recently, we were in China. We were cleared by the Chinese government. When we came back, we were cleared by the Kenyan government.
But the state will be facing fresh demands for damages from Miguna's lawyers over breach of his fundamental rights, personal anguish and financial losses since his initial arrest and detention in February, before his first deportation to Canada, which was declared illegal by the High Court, and his recent forceful ejection to Dubai, that yet again put President Uhuru Kenyatta's government in the middle of a diplomatic storm.
The law must be followed to the letter, and there is no exception. Actually, what Miguna is trying to create is a big issue out of nothing. If he actually filled the forms, Kisumu would not have banned. Nobody will even be talking about Miguna. He will be walking freely in the streets of Nairobi.
The state must conform to Article 16 of the Constitution of Kenya that expressly states that citizenship by birth cannot be revoked.
The Miguna fiasco is already escalating political temperatures in parts of the country, with the Kenyan courts and the authorities alike finding themselves under local and international spotlight. Murimi Mwangi, KTN News, Nairobi.